After working so many years in the kitchen across the world, it is now my job to pass on my knowledge to you. I want you to be able to get in the kitchen without the stress. Let me inspire you, educate you, and teach you about cooking today. Everything here that I'm going to teach you lasts you a lifetime. If you are patient and take your time, you will succeed and become a better cook. I want to teach you the way to evolve classic recipes from a traditional to modern. Today I want to focus on techniques rather than a recipe, as it is technique that is the most important things in the recipes.
I am Fabien Simon, and this is my cooking class.